Hello, welcome. I'm in the car. So today I'm being asked to go help recover a motorcycle that's in a river. I brought an axe, some rope and some gloves. And whilst I was driving up here, I was thinking, if I get pulled over now, people are going to think I'm a serial killer. I mean, who drives around with an axe, gloves and rope? Oh, I do. There's the motorbike, I can see it, it's over there. Let's go and head towards it. It's a bit slippy here. One false move, whoa! One false move and I'm in the river. Oh, here we are. Right, we're over that bit. There's the bike, this is the hard bit here. Look at that, you can see it. I'm going to have to get some rope out and lower myself down. Oh, this is sketchy, man. Whoa. Right, I'm going to have to jump for that gap. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Done it. Whoa, nearly. Right, there's the bike. Let's have a look. Now it's been chucked off the cliff top up there. Let's see. It's gotta be an hard on this. Royal Enfield. Oh, it's an oldie, that. Look at that. Headlight there. Is that part of that? That's such a nice bike, this. I'd love one of these. Let's see how jammed in it is. Oh man, that's just jammed in that. The engine looks alright though. That's good, doesn't it? Engine looks alright, so that's alright. You can see where they cut it, trying to hotwire it. Why are you doing that? That's how you do it. Did you see that? I'm amazing. Woo! That was heavy. Right. So we got hold of it there. Jeez. Now we need to pull it up this way. I might have to wait for people. So this is what I brought the axe for. I've made some stakes out of sticks that were floating in the river, and just knocking them into the soil. So now I've got better footing. See? So that's what I've been doing. Let me see if I can hello. Get it on the frame better. I noticed you nicked the battery, did you? Over there, so you pull that over with us. Whew. That's going to strain up a little bit. How do we... Careful man, you don't feel to pull that. So pull it. Pull it. Right. It just literally threw me to the side. And now it's leaking petrol, so pull it up quick.
Not yet, not yet. Right.
Oh shit. Go, go, go. Stop, stop. Move to that side with that rope.
Yeah, mate, yeah.
That's what it's to get into the body. Oh shit!
Let go. What we're going to do, we're going to try to lift it up again on its wheel.
Yeah, can do.
Not yet, mate, not yet.
Well, slip it.
Oh, Pete, watch out. Get hold of them there. It's leaking petrol.
Yeah, well,
River trust, will you after us?
ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Not yet, mate, not yet. 1, 2, 3. Let's hold on.
Again.
Right. Right, go.
Right, pull.
Look at all the body, it stinks, you see it?
Hang on, it's stuck in the mud here.
Needs look.
Yeah,
Just go for it.
Yeah, just
go
fuck
for
it.
it. Go for it.
There's no roots, it's just mud.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Right, let me get there, and we could probably stand it up then.
Get hold of that, mate. If you get hold of the back end then. Right, go on. Douse.
Keep going, keep going.
Right, whoa.
I've got all the tree now.
I've got hold of no trees or nothing.
Let go.
Let go. Right, guys, hang on.
Oh, my back.
Right, come over this way.
Try and
Right, hold on. Let's slide down here. Let go of it a little bit.
Wait.
Right, that's it.
Right, I've got no grip.
No.
Right, 1, 2, 3, push it.
Right.
Right, go.
Right, let go. Let that go now, Matt. Let that go.
at least you left your footprints, Dave.
Right. Let the back, let the wings go a minute. No. Right. Pull it now a bit more.
1 sec, I'm tangled.
Go.
Footprint.
I left my mark there. Hang on, Brad. Hang on. Not this time, no. We've done the hard bit, don't be doing anything now.
There we are, look at that, it's free. Out the river. That was really hard work, that. But yeah. Royal Enfield Bullet 500, such a nice bike. It's a shame it's ended up like that, but oh well.